Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the Play Store itself. Open Play Store, tap your profile, then Settings right arrow General. Switch off personalized recommendations and promotional notifications so Play stops pushing offers. Once done, go into your phone settings right arrow Apps right arrow Google Play Store and disable notifications for the app entirely. This prevents both in-app promos and system notifications. Make sure to keep Play functioning by not force stopping or disabling updates. You only remove ads and promo banners, not core updates. Next, remove the ad signals Android uses. In Settings, find Privacy or Google Ads and opt out of ads personalization, then reset your advertising ID to clear tracking. Once that's done, audit installed apps. Sort by recent installs or battery usage, and uninstall any free apps that show frequent ads or restrict their background data and notifications. Also restrict Play Store background data to stop server-driven promos. These steps reduce targeted ads and the chance that apps will trigger Play Store promotional pushes. Finish by disabling Oppo/Color OS ad services. Settings right arrow Additional settings right arrow Privacy right arrow Ad service or similar toggle. Turn it off to block system-level ads. Then clear Play Store cache and data, reboot the phone, and verify notifications remain off. If ads still appear, reset your advertising ID again and check for malicious apps. As a last resort, backup data and do a factory reset. If that's necessary, it removes persistent adware. If something goes wrong, check notifications and data permissions before resetting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.